Hey, what's up, guys? We're back with Miata. Today I'm going to be reupholstering my doors. Now, note, I started. Oh, shit. I look ugly. Point being, I decided to start this video a little bit later, so I already did one door. But I can at least show you the finished product of what the door will hopefully come out to look like. Oh, wait, it already came out like this. But yeah, that's the door. We're going to reupholster it, and this is the before right here, and this is the after. Before, after, looks a whole lot nicer. Now you may ask, why do you decide to reupholster instead of buying new door panels? One is because when you reupholster it, it's custom, so it's unique to your taste. Two, it's a lot cheaper. So I'm reupholstering both of these doors for around $60. I bought this material off of. Actually, let me show you the material. Yeah, so I bought this material off of just eBay. It's just a quilted black, because if you can't tell, I like my car all black, like I'm riding in the shadow. But here's the old one. It was pretty bad. There was a lot of roughness to it. For example, it ripped. You can't really fix ripped vinyl that easily. So let me see if I could focus on there. Yeah, and the other vinyl, I'll have a picture up right about now. You could see that there was just a whole bunch of like marks and stuff on it. Say hi to the camera, Joss. Oh, nice. Thank you. Anyways, yeah, so to reupholster these doors, I already kind of started, since I said I started this video a little bit late. But it's pretty easy. All you have to do is take off your door panel. There's a whole bunch of screws on the back, so I took those off already. They're all right there. And you just basically peel the vinyl up. Note that you don't want to completely rip this or tear it, because you're going to cut an outline from your new vinyl from this. So don't go ripping it. Alright. And then once you basically tear this off of the door panel, you're going to have this. And you're basically want to clean this up. Yeah, this shit's major pain in the ass to take off. It's because the glue is just so strong. I'm trying to do it one-handed because I have to hold the camera. But basically what you want to do is you just want to take off all this foam. The green part, which is the actual glue, I guess it's fine. I put the stuff you're going to see later on, the tacking stuff, on top of this. And the previous door is holding up really well. So it's just the foam that we want to take off. But yeah, just scrape it off. What I tried to do, but it got way too messy. I tried to use a drill with like I don't know what to call this, a wire brush, and that just did not turn out good. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep scraping this off. Have fun. It's done. Probably took me what? Let's see. Took me about, it's 11:20. It took me about half an hour to peel this all off. Now, this was messy, really messy. That's why I brought the recycle bin to recycle all this. So I'm gonna clean this up, and then I'll show you guys the next step. I also want to say right now, while everything is disassembled, these are plastic pieces. So now is probably the best time to paint your plastic pieces, when it's separated from the vinyl, so you don't have to do any masking later. You can just paint it all right now. 10 times easier. I'm not going to paint mine because I painted it off, I would say probably about a year ago, so I don't really need to. It looks good. But yeah. Okay, all cleaned up. Now what you want to do is you want to throw your new vinyl on the ground where it's flat. You want to grab your old vinyl, and you just basically want to throw it on top of there and just lay this flat. The camera's kind of hard to see because it's black on black. But basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting the same outline for the door panel. So there are curved pieces on here, like right here and right here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut actually a little bit more. So I'm probably going to leave like an inch more, just in case if I need the space to work with the vinyl. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this right now. Well, the camera decided to follow me while I was cutting. Uh, by the way, these scissors suck. They weren't cutting anything. Um, but I got everything cut out. So here's the template, and then here's the actual vinyl. No, you don't want to actually cut holes yet. You want to save that for when you actually have it on the door, because like I said, this is kind of curved in weird area, so you want to put this on before you actually start cutting on any of the holes. But yeah, let's go throw this on the door panel. Alright, so I'm on the ground with the door panel wood and then the vinyl itself. We're going to be using two products today. We're going to be using Loctite Power Grab. I'm using the heavy duty. This is going to be more in areas or like around the edges or where it might be highly grabbed. So for example, this is like the armrest right here. So I'm going to use that. And then for the rest, I'm just going to be using this Liquid Nails Projects. The reason you might be asking is why two different ones? Well, this one's like $9 and then this one's $2. So I'm going to use this one obviously for the edges. So you're going to be probably using 1.5 bottles. I'm probably going to use all of this, and then I'll have some left over. You can see right now I actually do have some left over. But yeah, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start from the top. I'm going to layer the glue on. This takes around like a whole day to dry, or to cure actually, so I have a lot of time to work with the vinyl before it dries. And yeah, so let's just put the glue on there first, and then we'll talk about the next step. Alright, I got that thing. I got the edge of this all layered up. We're gonna work piece by piece, so we don't want to do the entire thing. So I'm gonna lay the vinyl on top of this right here, and then what actually happens is this rain guard, or whatever you want to call it, this sits on this side and pinches the vinyl between the rain guard and the wood. So that's gonna be like our natural clamp, I guess. So that's why I wanted to place down the Loctite first. But yeah, let's do it. Okay. So right now I'm poking holes through the vinyl right here. So one right here, one right here. Basically along the edge for the rain guard. As you can see, there's tabs right here. These tabs, they go through the holes, and then you bend them once they're around the wood, and they clamp down on the vinyl. So, but right now I gotta poke out these holes, and yeah. Alright, we have the rail on. I bent all the tabs behind the vinyl on the wood, and look, it's already, you can already imagine how nice it's gonna look as soon as it's done. So yeah, as soon as we get that top part done, what we're gonna want to do is we're basically gonna work on the areas that have a lot of screws and work towards them. So since I started up here and I have the glue already up there, places where there might be screws already is there's going to be screws right here and right here. That's for this panel right here. So I'm just going to apply more of the tacking stuff and place it along here, and then screw it in. screwed in everything. I made sure to put glue everywhere before I screwed in everything, except the edges, because the edges I'll have to do one by one. You'll see what I mean later on. But I did put glue on this edge, and you'll see why right now. So in order for this to set quite well, we're going to leave it overnight, and we're going to put weight and make sure it's all pressed down so it sticks firmly for the rest of its life. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Alright. Well, on the edge here, you can see that I have a clamp pressing down. We're using the wood to disperse the weight of the clamp, otherwise the clamp would literally make a hole. Same thing with this weight. It's 12 pounds, so I'm using it to disperse it. And then yeah, I'm just placing other heavy things, heavy meaning like 3 to 5 pounds, just to make sure that the vinyl stays down overnight. It's especially important over here on the corners to make sure that this sticks in, otherwise it'll just naturally tense up. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today on the door panels. I guess we'll come back to it tomorrow and we'll see. But I do have more exciting news. If we check my whiteboard, we can see wrap start. Yeah, I'm gonna start. I have a little thing of wrap. Let me see if I can get it. Yep, I have a little thing of wrap. It's about 1 feet by 5 feet. So I'm gonna wrap the back of the trunk and see if I can do it. Because why would I need a wrap, you may ask? Well, you may have seen it earlier. New body parts. That's right. I don't really like the NB1 look, and I ended up doing Duraflex side skirts. But to me, these are so ugly. I don't know. I spent probably about like a month working on them, three to 4 days in total actually. But yeah, I don't know. It's already too low by itself, and so I can't lower the car without this scraping. And I want to lower the car more because look at this fitment. That's a whole fist in there. Yeah, so these are the new parts. I got it from Alex Todd from SNS Mazda Parts. Thank you so much once again, Alex. So we have the NB2 bumper, the Mazda Speed lip, and then on right here we have small Tupperware side skirts. So these line up perfectly actually with the Mazda Speed lip. And then let me see if I can find it. We have a little Mazda Speed rear lip. So that looks nice. Yeah, but I got this for a good price and I'm really excited about this. I wanted to do an NB2 facelift anyways. So, and the side skirts were just perfect. But yeah, that's going to be coming up, and let's see what else is on my thing. Door panels, that was pretty much all of today. And fixed window, I already did that, so we don't need to worry about that. But yeah, super excited for the days to come, and so is my little Miata. He's happy. Alright, I want to thank you guys again for watching. I think my first video ever I did like a tutorial or something, but this one's more of like a tutorial vlog type thing. Whatever. So if you like that, then comment below, I guess. But anyways, thank you for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe, you know, all of that stuff. And I'm really excited what's happening with the car. So I hope you guys are excited as me. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.